Hey guys, today I'm gonna introduce you how to connect all the wires included in the package. And then the first is the power cable harness. And the second is the RCA wire harness. The third is the back wire. And you have noticed that there are two little blue wires, that is for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signal. The first is the USB 2 wires and it's 6 pin. The fifth is the USB 1 cable and it's 4 pin. The last one is the GPS devices, which is used for receiving the GPS signal. And then please note that this video is based on the 1DIN stereo, but the 2DIN stereo installation is also the same with the 1DIN stereo. Thanks for watching, and we are Binize.